Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today in this video we are going to discuss about logical DAX functions, and in that we are going to take an example of very first one which are commonly used. If you are watching our channel for first time, we are giving a brief summary what we are discussing in the DAX function series. So we have discussed about 8 popular functions types in our intro video of DAX functions, and then we have come across with the very first one, which is date and time functions which are used in Power BI, and then in that we have discussed about calendar auto function, what is the difference between calendar and calendar auto functions, and more on the date and time functions. The second one will be information functions. In that we have discussed few logical things, which is error, is blank, and lookup value, which is the most used DAX function in information functions. And today we are going to start our third popular function type, which is logical functions. So obviously everyone have an idea about what is logical functions. Yes, we are going to discuss what are the most common used logical function in Power BI, and then we are going to discuss in briefly. Before we are going to video, please do subscribe and share to your friends if you're watching our channel for the first time. So today, logical functions, we are giving a over summary of logical function, which is if, and, not, or, switch. These are all the 5 different logical functions which is commonly used. So if everyone knows what is if means obviously no, it will check the logical things, and it should satisfy both the conditions. Not, it should not meet the criteria, or will be the either, or like either one condition should match. Switch case is used when one condition is not satisfied, it will go to the other one. So today in this video we are going to check the logical function which is most commonly used, if function. We are jumping into video. Let's start the video. So here you can see in our output sheet we have created different columns which is called is blank and if is blank. So these are all the value which we have already created in the DAX functions. So today I'm going to create a new column in the output sheet. If function which is equal to, I'm just giving a if, and if you click on this arrow as we discussed, it will show what is the purpose of that function which you are using. It says check the whether condition is met and returns one value if true and other value if it is false, which means if it is true you will get true or else false. Now I am going to click if. Now what I am going to check is region. If it is equal to east, then give me, let's say for me east is sunrise, and if it is not, give the value as no. You can see the value which is highlighted in blue, it automatically changes according to the value which you are giving. Just double quotes, hit enter. That's error in sunrise. Enter. So you can see here, wherever there is a region called east, you can see there is a sunrise option. So this is how we are using the logical function of if. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any query in this video or previous video, please post your queries in our comment box. We will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching Gokul Tech. See you in the next exciting video. Jai Hind.